I know it's been such a long time. It's not even a joke. Like, I'm pretty sure it's been like 3 or 4 months now since I last filmed. But besides the point, I had a lot going on, and yeah, I had a lot going on. So we actually have a sponsor today, you guys. So today's sponsor is Dossier. I don't know if many of you guys have heard of Dossier. I actually see them all over YouTube. A bunch of YouTubers have partnered up with them. And I guess it's my turn, because when I seen that email, I was like, what? Me? But yeah, so they sent over 2 scents that they had me choose from their collection. They smell amazing. Like, they smell so good. I actually ended up getting 2 scents from them. Fruity Magnolia was one of them, and the second one was, hold on, I kept them in the box for aesthetic purposes, you know me. Oh, and they all come with like the scent cards that explain all of the way it smells and all of that. It also comes with sample sizes, so like you could smell it. If you don't like the scent first, then you could return the entire like full-size bottle. Okay, so the second one I got was called Floral Jasmine, and it just looks like this. And you guys, it smells so good. Out of the 2 though, Fruity Magnolia is my favorite one. Like, this one smells like, it smells so good. My favorite scents are fruity smells and floral scents. I don't really like citrusy scents or anything like that, but if you're into that, they also have that, because when they sent me the list of scents they got, it's insane. Like, they have just about everything. They set up a code for me as well to give to you guys, so I'm just gonna leave it on the screen somewhere, and I'm also gonna leave it down below in the description box, just in case you want to check them out. So if you're not really into like spending a lot of money to smell good, you should definitely check them out. Like, they're a perfect substitute as well. And let's just get into this video. Okay, so for today's video, I was actually inspired by this picture, well, 2 pictures actually that I seen on Pinterest. I'm gonna put them somewhere on the screen. The kind of girl that you could be down for, 'cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no one for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Together. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let
let you know.